Okay, so you want to export your slide as an image, maybe a JPEG or a PNG file. I use this method for creating the thumbnails for my YouTube videos. So to specify the dimensions of the image, you need to go to the Design tab on your ribbon, then go to Slide Size, and you either choose the standard dimension or the widescreen dimension, or you can go into Custom Slide Size and put in your dimensions here. So once that's done, go to File, Export, Change File Type. And then you'll see here you've got your image file types, a PNG file or a JPEG file. So we're going to go for JPEG file. Now if you want to change the resolution of the image, you can go down to Tools here and then Compress Picture. And you've got your options here for resolution from high fidelity down to email. I'm happy with web for my YouTube thumbnails, so I'll cancel out of that. And then you've got to navigate to wherever you're going to save this file. Give the file a name. And then click on Save. Now when you do that, you'll be asked whether you want to export all slides within your PowerPoint file or just this particular one. We just want to export this particular one, and you're done. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.